everybody,
welcome back to another game video. I'm back doing Angry Birds. Oh boy. Lock in. Now let's see. Last time I checked I was... Oh, that's right. So I might have played one or maybe two little levels. You know, my fault guys, my fault. But let's forget about that, you know. And let's just get straight into it. Alright, so what do we have here? We got a pig with a helmet. I don't know how to describe this. Let's just go for it. Bada bing, bada boom. That. Ooh. That was lovely. Let's do it again. That was terrible. Okay, let's just try again. Right, do you think this would work? Okay. Hey. No. Okay, what's my score? I failed. I mean, yeah, there was a pig left here. Right, let's retry that. Hello. I said let's retry that. Aim it up a little bit. Oh, well, you know what? Oh, well, you know what? That right there. That's fuck off. That was lovely. Level cleared. Let's do it. Have I played this level before? I think I have. Hey. Ugh. I don't know what to aim for first. The people in the pool or the guy on the diving board? Is that what it's called? Yeah. Luigi, put up a picture of a diving board while you're editing this.
They were talking about how to do your first backflip on a diving board. I'm gonna give you my top 4 tips to do a backflip.
Okay, that's like, I don't know. Is it a strat? Oh wait, I still have one more. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not bad. Ooh. What am I doing? Lock in. Okay. Hold on. Watch this right here, right? The guy in the diving board is gonna slip off, fall onto the duck. Or no, I didn't. Okay. What the fuck was that? Okay, let's retry. Yeah. Wait, that was actually a good impression. Did you guys hear that? That was actually pretty good.
no!
I think that could be the next Angry Bird. Not with this fucking gameplay, I can't. Right, I can't get angry. Okay. Low key, kind of useless. What if I did this? What if I like? Okay, let's not. Instead. Not gonna get angry. Why would I get angry at Angry Birds? Come on. Well, I'm not 2 years old. I don't get angry at Angry Birds. While that guy's doing his thing, let's send out one of these. Is that guy gonna fall? Yeah, it looks like he's falling. I'm drowning. I see one there right there. Okay, this one has to, or else it's game over. Please. Yes! That's what I get. 1 star, okay. Hey, new guy scored though. That's kind of a W. Right, let's just immediately lock into this. See ya. 2 front combo. Okay. Yeah, okay. So that's right, how you want to play it, yeah, okay. It's right, because in my head, I already know how to beat this. Just by that one level alone, I know exactly what to do here. Watch. Okay, so that was part of the plan, but lucky worked. So I'm gonna act like it was all part of the plan. Let's get rid of this guy. Alright, next step, just get rid of the last guys. Come on. Come on. Here it is. Boom, bam, pow, bada ba, boom. Something like that. Ooh, 2-star. New high score as well. I'm loving it. Oh, fuck. That was my cat. Right. Oh wait, hold on. It's just a method to watch, really. Okay, bang. I am the one that's on the gun, don't weigh a ton to get respect up on the street. Actually, fun fact, in 2017, I was crowned Crown Prince of Androids. I'm lying. Oh wait, hold on. New bird. We got the how do I say this without being racist? We got the big black guy. No offense. Ooh. Okay. I think his name's Bomb. So I probably should have said that. That was butt cheeks, to be fair. Fine. I'll retry. Okay, see? Now we only need to get rid of the one tower. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. See? 2 stars. I'll take it. Right, let's see. More bombs. Fire known! Okay, let's go for this guy as well. See that, guys?
You are not watching a master at work.
I'm so good. I only needed 1 star. What can I say? Right. Oh, I didn't even notice the guys at the bottom. Okay, right. And then... No! Okay, yeah, I failed. That's alright. A wise man once said, if it ain't fixing, don't break it. I'm not sure who said that, but he must be pretty wise. I'm pretty old, probably. Okay. Wait, hold on. Bomb lock in. Don't be bombed. I'm the bomb. Oh my god. Shut up. Sorry, that was my cat. Oh. Right. No. Lock in. I'm locked in. I don't have time for your shenanigans because I'm locked in. Okay. I needed that. I needed to be humbled, right? That's the truth. But because I needed to be humbled, right? I actually won that and got 2 stars. I don't think I got a single 3 stars this entire video. It's getting embarrassing. Really? Are we serious right now, bro? Okay. Easy. Okay, that's gonna kill him, right? Same with this. Sorry, those berries. Why is there strawberries? Okay. 2 stars. Let's see, Bomb, you're the goat. I'm about to buy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Did that guy not die? I'm not sure. Yeah, Jimmy Bill, something like that. Rest in peace. I was a big fan. Don't read so much into that. Come on, Boom. Please, I need you. What the fuck? He was right next to him. How did that guy die? Okay, well, that guy's dead. So is that guy. You're all dead. I killed him. Yeah, well, I can't get him.
Shut up!
Oh, okay. 3 stories! 3! Quick Spanish lesson. Right. What will you put the Spanish flag up? Right. I'm gonna teach you guys to get 3 in Spanish. Right, so number 1. Uno. Number 2. Oh, yeah. Dos. And then for 3, it's actually called tres in Spanish. What can I say? I'm a little bisexual myself.
What?
Bilingual. No, I'm not bisexual, that's Ali. Right. Okay. So, I've not landed a single shot. Okay, so I'm just gonna restart. I think I made a mistake somewhere along the lines. Okay. I mean, I'm good. No, that was my own fault. I can't get mad. Okay, that was also my own fault, so I can't get mad. Bum, won't lie to you, buddy. I'm gonna really need you to lock in here. Well, you know what? Bum, you did better than the rest. I'm proud of you, kid. Guys, put in the comments, what is your favourite Angry Bird? I like Chuck. You know, the yellow one? It's like a triangle. I don't know. I also like the pigs, but they're not birds. Or, I don't think they're very angry either. So, they don't really count. But, other than that, yeah, put in the comments, who's your favourite Angry Bird? You know what, while you're down there, why don't you just subscribe, guys. Just subscribe. Guys, I'm at 17. I'm 3 away from getting 20 subscribers. You know how happy that would make me? To get fucking 20 subscribers. I've posted, what, fucking 48 videos? Lock in. Okay, so I overshot it. That's okay. Because listen, another wise quote from another wise man. You actually miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Actually, fun fact, I actually said that quote. That's my quote. Yep. It's true. Right. Let's go a little lower this time. Oh! Almost burped, but no, I think that was just my demons coming out. I feel like deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. Ignore that. What the fuck? Why is this level so hard? You know what, hold on. Maybe the strat is, right, hear me out. I'm just gonna aim at these blocks until I win. Oh yeah. It's always one fucking pig. One. Can you guys just die? Okay, no. Can't get mad. Hakuna Matata. Well, I'm going back in there. And no worries. Hakuna Matata. Forgot the lyrics. Oh. Okay, you know what? I can feel it. This run is the run that'll get past this level. some mistakes get made. That's alright. That's okay.
That's okay, you can think that you're in love.
Wrong people sometimes. You kidding me? Hold on, let me just adjust my microphone. My microphone. Okay, let me check. Whoa, hold on. I got 3 stars. Okay. That's a W. Okay, now watch this. And that's not a mistake both you could have seen it yet, like. Okay, hold down. And then honestly, I think we can just go for the same exact thing there. And just blow it up. Come on. Ooh! Yeah, baby. 1 star, I'll take it, man. Just get me past this fucking level. What is this? This looks like the fucking Hello Neighbor house, mate. I hate you. Oh, my balls are itchy, man. Okay. Now watch this. See, now there's only 1 left. Just like that, he's dead. What can I say? Oh wait, I know, I'm the best. I've been recording this shit for 20 fucking minutes. Oh, hello, mama. Sorry, what? So wait, she can shit out eggs. Okay, why do they got a train? Right, let's try shitting out an egg. Sorry. Fuck, I did. I'm in heaven. Boom! Nope, messed it up. I messed it up. What I meant to do was different from that. Okay. Now watch this. Boom. And then, where the fuck are you going? That's alright, that guy's already dead, so we don't need to worry about that guy. You can just skip on ahead. Or not. Yeah, actually I didn't want to win this level anyways, so it's fine. What the fuck's my cat in? Oh, fine. You know what? I've been getting told my videos are too long. So you know what? After this level, guys, I'll end the video. I know, don't get too sad. Yada. But listen, I'll definitely make a part 3, because I love Angry Birds. I love it so much. Oh, Angry Birds. I love you, sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Oh, shit. Boom. Okay, no, I messed up again. It's always just that last guy. Oh, hold on. Okay. That should make things a lot easier, guys. Yeah, look. Yeah, I think I just won. Wait, was that the strat? Anyways, as I promised, I'll be ending the video here. So if you guys like the video, make sure to subscribe. If you do, I'll give you guys a 20 subscriber special. Yup. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, Waluigi. Play the outro. Tippy toy toy, tippy toy toy.